Hey, good afternoon, and thank you for joining Uncle Mike from TeachTalkTrade.com. This is the Dow Directions, a technical analysis of the Dow. Well, we've done it again. We've hugged the Ganfan line. You can see that we didn't test as low as we did before, which is a good sign, but we were rejected off the T8. You can see right in there, we were rejected off the T8 and came down but closed up. So that's a good sign. We need to hold the 50-day moving average, which is at 86.37, really to show us that a short-term bottom has been put in. And that is not the case at this time. We have the 20-day exponential moving average at 83.73, and then of course our T8, which is right here at 8,300. So we need to hold those levels, get above them, close above them, and hold like we did here. We only held a couple days above the 50-period moving average. Okay, let's take a look at some of our indicators. Today, let's look at, they're not on the chart, but we'll look at the Bollinger Bands. And the Bollinger Bands are 9.49% wider than normal. And this really doesn't suggest anything conclusive about future volatility, but they are a little wider. So volatility is pulling out a little bit. Okay, let's look at the momentum indicators. The stochastic oscillator, remember, above 80 is overbought, below 20 is oversold. The stochastic oscillator is 45.90, right in the middle. The relative strength index, overbought above 70, oversold below 30. We're at 41.22, right in the middle. The CCI, the Commodity Channel Index, overbought over 100, oversold below minus 100, or in that area. And the current value of the CCI is minus 63. And there was a signal of a low reading about 3 periods ago. And then the MACD, we had a sell signal on the MACD 9 periods ago, but nothing else has come up in the interim. Okay, let's take a look now. Let's go down to our Charnday chart checkup, where we have the overall bias is downwards. Prices are moving and trending sideways. The upper bound is 88.47. The projected lower bound is 73.57. So we're kind of, again, right in the middle. Have to decide which way we want to go here. Okay, that's it for the patterns today. Hope you took a look at the recording I had this weekend. It was on a longer term chart for the Dow with a few chart checkups on the longer term basis. Well, let's see tomorrow if we can hold this area once again. If we can, that is a good sign. But we really need to make some progress above the 61.8 retracement level and hold in that level. That will be the first step, and that will get us hopefully above these moving averages. So that's the first step we have to take before we climb over the 50-period moving average and hopefully be onwards and upwards. Thanks for joining Uncle Mike. Be sure to check out the site, www.teachtalktrade.com, if you're interested in our day trading room or our mechanical swing trading system. Thanks again, and I'll see you tomorrow.